you're scrolling again. Another headline sparks outrage. A friend's vacation photo triggers envy. A stranger's opinion on a screen ignites anxiety. Before breakfast, your mind has ridden a roller coaster of emotions, all before you've even stood up. In a world where attention is currency and distraction is designed, staying calm, focused, and grounded can feel almost impossible. But more than 2,000 years ago, a handful of ancient thinkers faced a different kind of chaos and left behind a map that just might be more valuable now than ever. Welcome to Stoicism in the Digital Age, a timeless philosophy for our most restless era, the eternal relevance of Stoicism. Stoicism was born in the marketplaces of ancient Greece and matured in the corridors of Roman power. Its core tenet is simple yet profound. We can't control external events, but we can control how we respond to them. This idea shaped the lives of emperors like Marcus Aurelius, slaves turned philosophers like Epictetus, and senators like Seneca. But it wasn't meant just for ivory towers. It was built for real life. War, loss, injustice, exile, plague, they faced it all. And today, in the age of algorithms and anxiety, the Stoics might just be more relevant than ever. Because although the world has changed drastically, human nature has not. The digital age, a new kind of storm. We're more connected than ever and more mentally fragile. We crave likes and validation. We panic over news that's thousands of miles away. We compare our worst moments to others' curated highlights. The Stoics didn't have smartphones, but they understood the dangers of a noisy mind and a reactive life. If you are distressed by anything external, the pain is not due to the thing itself, but to your estimate of it. And this you have the power to revoke. Marcus Aurelius. In other words, you're not upset because of your feed. You're upset because of how you're engaging with it. 4 Stoic principles for digital peace. Let's bring Stoic wisdom into the 21st century. Here are 4 ancient principles modernized for your pocket-sized battlefield. 1. Control the controllables. Epictetus taught that peace begins when we accept what's outside our control. Today, that means you can't control global news, but you can control how often you check it. You can't stop online trolls, but you can stop replying. You can't make the internet a calm place, but you can make yourself a calm person. Ask daily, is this within my control? If not, scroll on. 2. Guard your attention like a temple. Seneca warned about wasting time. If he saw how many hours we lose to meaningless scrolling, he'd weep. People are frugal in guarding their personal property, but as soon as it comes to squandering time, they are most wasteful. The digital world wants your attention, but Stoicism asks, are you giving it away too easily? Try turning off non-essential notifications, scheduling screen-free time, replacing doom scrolling with deep reading. Attention is life. Spend it wisely. 3rd, practice digital negative visualization. The Stoics practiced premeditatio malorum, imagining loss to deepen gratitude. Try this with your devices. Imagine losing your phone tomorrow. Imagine never checking social media again. Imagine your internet vanishing for a week. Suddenly, the online world doesn't feel like a burden. It feels like a miracle. Practicing digital detachment makes us more present, not less connected. 4. Define yourself by virtue, not virality. In the age of likes, shares, and followers, it's tempting to measure worth externally. The Stoics warned against this centuries ago. Don't waste time wondering what a good person is. Be one. Marcus Aurelius. Your self-worth isn't found in metrics. It's found in your character. Focus on wisdom, justice, courage, and self-discipline. No algorithm can take that from you. The denouement. Wisdom versus noise. Here's the turning point. The digital world isn't evil. It's just loud. It's fast, relentless, and seductive. And unless we have an internal compass, it will sweep us away. The Stoics didn't have Twitter or TikTok, but they faced chaos of their own. Their response? Stillness, reflection, self-governance. They practiced morning routines, journaled their thoughts, examined their judgments, and sought to serve others. They didn't escape the world. They anchored themselves within it, becoming a digital Stoic. Stoicism isn't about retreat, it's about mastery. You can be fully present in the modern world while remaining unshaken by its storms. Here's how to start. Each morning, ask, what will test my patience today? How will I respond? Each night, reflect, where did I lose control? How can I improve tomorrow? Throughout the day, remember, this moment is mine to manage. Marcus Aurelius ruled a collapsing empire. You manage a digital life. The battlefield looks different, but the war is the same, and the tools, still powerful, still practical, still timeless, ancient wisdom, modern clarity. We don't need more noise. We need more clarity, more strength, more inner peace. The wisdom of Stoicism isn't stuck in the past. It's waiting to be reawakened in each of us. All it takes is the courage to pause, reflect, and choose virtue over reaction. Because while the world swipes, scrolls, and screams, you can be the still point. And in that stillness, you'll find freedom. If you found this helpful, give it a like and subscribe for your daily dose of Stoic wisdom. This is Daily Stoic Dose. Clarity, calm, and courage, one day at a time.